Why don't sharks need dentists?
All sharks eat fish. Big sharks even eat seals and dolphins. Their teeth are the shark's most dangerous weapons. Some sharks have teeth that are as sharp as a knife. Other sharks have teeth that are as sharp as a dagger. Some sharks have teeth that are toothed like a saw. They can even saw through the shell of a turtle with it. If a shark snaps hard, a tooth may fall out. This is no problem for the shark. It can immediately replace a tooth that has fallen out. The next tooth is already waiting inside its mouth. Unlike humans, the shark's teeth are not located in the jawbone, but in a flexible skin above it. Each individual tooth sits on a band on which the next teeth are already waiting. Although they have a lot of teeth in their mouths, most sharks can only bite and not chew. Therefore, they swallow the whole prey immediately. If the prey does not fit into the shark's mouth, it tears off small pieces and shakes its prey until the pieces fit. In a nutshell, a shark can get new teeth over and over again in its lifetime. If there were dentists for sharks, they wouldn't have that much to do.
There are no such things as stupid questions. And I have one more suggestion.